Hello, fellow typers. Back to the We Are Memory Keepers typewriter, which is now working. As you can see, the platen is actually moving. So, what did I have to do? Well, I had to get Pumpkin here to help me fix this. Or at least give me the time to let me fix this. So, what I found was that the feed rollers, this, let's get this over here, this brass piece in here was installed wrong. So, of course, the platen wouldn't move. This knob here, which also attaches the grooves for this adjustment here and the lines, this wasn't screwed in all the way, so it was just floating around, but now it is moving. I was disappointed to see that the gear in here with the grooves in it is all plastic, and it looked worn. I'm guessing it's because it wasn't installed properly. The other thing... Oh, what's going on here? What'd you do? Looks like... maybe this needs some adjustment too. What the heck? Or it could be... Nope. This is not going back down. That's not good. Okay, so maybe we need some more work on here. I did realign this type head here. In fixing the carriage, this knob here does not function. I don't know why. But the automatic... Hey, you. There you go. Okay. So, overall, except for this here, it is fully functional. Does appear to be working. And I'll do a separate video doing a test run on this. So, Zoe. There. Okay. Let's show them under here. Okay, so this rod here, she's really interested in this, was installed wrong. The end that snaps in here was actually like way up here, so of course it wasn't connecting down here like it should. Not surprised, so I had to fix this part. So, got that lined in. Not too happy with how flimsy some of these parts are, how easy they are to come apart. So, having said that, definitely not something, it's not a travel typewriter. You're not going to have a carrying case for it. You don't want it moving around, which is funny because I don't understand why they have this adjustable handle on here if it's not going in a case. There's literally no reason for that. Currently it's getting the baby test. So, do I recommend these? No. Can it be a somewhat decent workhorse, something cheap that if you find it from Goodwill you could write a book or novella on? We'll find out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get this cleaned up, polish this, take this sticker off finally, and see how it holds up. I'm not too happy about this handle here that does absolutely nothing. That's pissing me off quite a bit, because that's usually how I feed the paper in. So I'm gonna have to actually like do one of these numbers to put paper in the back. Just a little switch for me on how I normally do things, but we'll get there. Yeah, this is hanging up here. Nope, it's still hanging up. So maybe a little bit of oil. In the meantime, keep on typing.